Guys, I hope you loved the Harlow. That stone exterior, man, that is everything. I absolutely, brick exterior, okay? It's everything. Now, we're gonna tour the Wilburn Contemporary. The Wilburn Contemporary, Overbrook Estates, guys, Toll Brothers. Let's go. Here it is. Alrighty, let's get in. Now, this one, I would say our next three I have not toured yet. So I'm pretty excited to get it and see what we got here. All right, here we go. Make our way in. Got a nice office space, sitting room, whatever you want to do with this, okay? And again, massive foyer, super high ceilings. That's a theme for these homes. All right, we got a powder room right here. Okay, here we go. Got some storage right there for you. Make our way in, and then here's your dining room. I know some of your folks, you guys have massive tables that have been handed down or purchased. And then here we go. Man, wow, this is pretty neat. Come off the garage, okay, and walk right into a bedroom here. I like it. Yeah, here we go. And of course, you know this is going to definitely have its own bathroom. Okay, got that ensuite with that tile all the way to the ceiling. Love that. Okay, here we go. And again, this is coming off of your 2-car garage. So this is going to be your mudroom area right here. Somebody's going to have a great space to go right in that room and hang out there, okay? Here we go, let's get inside. Alrighty. Wow, I love this island. This is beautiful. I know some of you probably think that is way too busy, but I love it. Love their choice of cabinets in here. I like that a lot. Very beautiful. Okay. Got that butler's pantry right here. Love it. That leads right back to your dining room, of course. And then here's your pantry right here, okay? Pretty large right there as well. All right, got that gourmet kitchen set up right here. Love that. And they're not doing these convection ovens, so you really have a microwave or convection oven, both, okay? Love they did the two-tone right here also. This is nice. Okay, got that gas right there, of course. Stainless steel hood, very nice, super tall windows, massive sliding back here. They didn't do a cover lanai on this one, but of course you know, guys, you do have options when it comes to Taylor Morrison or Toll Brothers. I'm so sorry. So sorry, Toll Brothers. Here we go. Lots of natural light in here. This is a big room too, okay? Got a traditional fireplace down here. Now there's still gas, but it's not one of those electric fireplaces like we typically start to see in homes. Love the cutout, the way they bump this thing out. You can put some shelves down here, which would be pretty cool. Okay. Get another spin of this room. This is a really nice looking room right here, guys. All right. We're gonna make our way on up now. Let's go see what we got upstairs here. I mean, look how long that is. Look at that. Love it. All right, let's go see what we got here. Right. Massive loft. Love it. You know what? Let's go to that primary. Here we go. All of them are huge. Love this. Absolutely love it. Okay. And everyone has these long vanities, okay? Like that. Tile all the way up. It's perfect. It's a walk-in closet. Does it wrap around? Yes, it does. Okay. Love the cabinet choices up here too. It's nice. Got another closet right here. Look, this will probably be my closet. All right. Fellas, you know what I'm talking about out there, okay? All right, and here, listen, this bedroom, man, massive. I love it. Absolutely love it. All right, let's make our way over here. Let's go this way first. All right. Somebody's got an ensuite right here. Okay, here's our bedroom. Walk in, got a little privacy. Love that. Okay. Let's see what we got down here. All right. Okay, here we go. Got a full bath right here. This is your hallway bath. Okay, like that. Got a laundry room over here. Bedroom. And then we got another bedroom here with an ensuite. Yeah, love it. I like that they've done so many of these with an ensuite. That is awesome. Families are starting to live together again. I think it's awesome that they're doing that. Not kicking the kids right out. I think that's pretty incredible, okay? Try to get my daughters to stay home. They told me no. Could have saved some money, right? But it's okay, that's what they want to do. They will learn, all right? Guys, we're gonna go see our next home now. Stay tuned. I'll be back, let's get it.